Yo, what's good, Rockstans family? Welcome back to another banger and welcome back to the channel as well. So yeah guys, on today's video we'll be picking up Chappie from Team Nerdo, and then we'll be revealing what mod we've done on Chappie as well. So alongside me is Carlito. So we are almost at Team Nerdo's workshop. And then yeah guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video, and hope you're gonna enjoy it as well. So yeah, stay tuned for the lekker stuff. Sharp guys, so we arrived here at Team Nerdo's workshop. So they just opened, so they're currently moving out all the cars. Apparently Chappie's under one of these covers. So yeah, sharp.
In the mix.
So reveal to the viewers.
Huh?
Reveal to the
Yes,
viewers.
they must win. They must win.
Just good Rockstans. So yeah, update. We're just waiting for them to finish. And then from there, once they're done with what we came to do, then we're gonna reveal. So yeah, just chill and enjoy. And yeah, stay tuned for the lekker stuff. So yeah guys, done with the car. So I don't know, maybe some of you might have seen some snaps on what's actually been done. But yeah, so stay tuned for the lekker stuff. We're gonna be on our way back now. From there we're gonna find us a small location or a small spot, film the car and explain what's happening. Sharp. What's good, beautiful people? Frog stands. So yeah, we on our way to Carlo's Posy. As you'll saw with the one small roller. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking rollers on the way there. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the lekker stuff, guys. And yeah, please watch until the end. For those of y'all that are really invested into the car industry, you'll wanna watch till the end. And yeah, cause it's actually worth the wait. Cause yeah, it's an amazing mod. But yo, guys, enough said. Stay tuned for the lekker stuff, man.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Guys, can't tell me Chappie is not sexy, guys. Come on. Rockstans, we're doing it well, eh? But yeah, so also for those of you all saying I talk a lot, guys, it's just how I am. I'm just a very exciting person when it comes to cars. So yeah, Chappie is amazing. But yeah, so the next video we will be at Carlo's Posy now. Sharp. So yeah, guys, the reveal is here. So yeah, reveal what you got.
Finally.
So yeah, guys, as you can see right there, the mod that we finally did on Chappie was double sunroof. This is of a Mini Cooper. This is a mini duck, panoramic sunroof. So yeah, that was the next mod we opted out to do. And yeah, guys, it's actually sitting nice. We're both happy. Papa is happy. So yeah, guys, that was the mod we did for you. And now yeah, it's actually sitting nice. Drop down below in the comments what you guys think. Is it the excellent mod that we done? And yeah, we might just stay tuned for the next mods, guys. But so far this is the best mod we could do for now, and it's sitting flippin' amazing, guys. Yeah, on the highway events, it's awesome. Because the reason why also we had a mini crack also with the old sunroof. So yeah, so then we just decided, you know what, let's just take out the old sunroof and go to a bigger sunroof. So yeah, guys, hope you guys like that one as well. So yeah, also as well, we will be having our old sunroof up for sale. So yeah, peace out. So there's your lad. The old sunroof is up for sale. I'll be dropping some pictures at the end of this video, and then yeah, I'll be dropping my number also in the description and on the video to contact me for more info. It's a complete sunroof. It's worth the wiring, ne?
Yeah, it's a full comfort line Webasto tilt and slide, one touch.
Sharp.
Yeah,
And
so-
it comes with a control unit as well. So if any of you are interested in the single tilt and slide roof, hit us up and we'll be glad to help you. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video, and we hope it was a banger for you. Peace out and stay tuned for the next video. Away. Okay. So yeah guys, sunroof is finally sold. I know the video it's been taking long for it to get dropped, but yeah, I got a sunroof sold. Sholan is a guy that bought it here. Shout out to the man. And yeah guys, no flop. So are you happy with it?
Definitely.
Sharp. Hopefully I'll get in contact with him to show when he installs it onto his car. He'll be installing it onto a Mazda. So then if hopefully when he installs it, then I can get a picture and I'll just post it as well. And then yeah, for the results. So yeah guys, stay tuned for the lekker stuff, and I'm out. As good road stands fam. So yeah, apologies, but I'm gonna be talking a lot now. This is just to get you all get you on the same basis we are now. So yeah, the sunroof is sold guys. As also previous guy by the name of Sholan bought it. So in that same week when we came from Team Nerdo, I had the sunroof listed already to avoid long stories before. Sorry, I didn't want to now have the video published and then post the sunroof. So yeah, just decided let's list it. So yeah, and then in that same day, Sholan came through like, hey bruh, let me buy that sunroof. So yeah, got it sold, and yeah guys, it's officially gone. But yeah, we also have a few parts also up for sale. But regarding the sunroof guys, I know in the previous clips we said it's up for sale, but yeah, I think as soon as it got listed, yeah, it went skyrocket, because I had a lot of guys, but Sholan was actually deeply serious to say that he really wants it no matter what. So got that sorted, payment came in. It just took us long because it took us like a week or two, because we had to test it for him so we can have clarity to say that the sunroof actually works, because we never had a video of the sunroof opening and closing on Chappie. So we had to get that quickly sorted, and yeah, came through, made a payment, sorted, done and dusted. No long stories. So yeah, also why it also took long, because when it was time for Yana to come view it, we weren't available. We were busy with the client's car. We were busy doing a clutch plate. So yeah, yeah, like I'm currently now on my way now there to check as another issue on the car as well. So gonna get that sorted. I'm on my way to Carlo, but that's not for today's video. We will be posting client videos, I don't know, but that's not now on the channel's phase. But if you all want, we can also post when we work on clients' cars. Drop down in the comment below if you'll also like that. But yeah, as well we have E30 things available. Like we have an M10 motor available that came off the E30, but it has a bearing knock. So I don't know if you all want it, and then you can hit us up. And then we have a gear track gearbox for sale. It also came off the M10 engine. Gear track gearbox. We have a full complete M10 exhaust from branch, 2 tailpiece, and then we have a back sump with a pickup also available for E30. These are not for the E30 guys, because E30 it's a front sump. You need a front sump and it's a multi-valve. So we have a multi-valve back pickup with the multi-valve sump with the pickup. It's a back sump guys. And then we have a few things available. Also we might have things available for Chappie, but I don't know, just stay woke on our socials, TikTok and IG. Just stay woke there, and then we will just post if we waiting on something to tell us if we can go forth or not, and then we'll see what we will be selling, because it's motor-wise, so we'll do it in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, stay tuned for the later stuff. I'm out. So yeah guys, the reveal is finally here.
Stop it so much.